My spirit calls out to my parents, how I long to mend this relationship that got broken amongst the tides of assimilation and those years of miscommunication. This song goes out to my dad and my mom. Brought us a baby into this world in Chiang, Thailand, 1992, marked as a refugee from a country that has been lost in a bloodshed war. Who would knew that beyond the fences that encircles the camp, there would be a brighter future, half a world slip away. But then again, there's always cost to dreams and beginnings. Human eyes are blind before the walls of time, so we can only trust and strive forward, unknowing the future. Reaching this new land, we let ourselves blend into the melting pot of America, slowly assimilating without realizing that our culture is fading. So I stand at the borderline, dividing fate and time, the history of the Mekong, asking myself, what does it mean to be Hmong in a generation where the young are losing their native tongue, divisions between the new and old generation, different values results from lack of connection. I cannot number how many of my peers have already stopped trying. They get discouraged with the fact that their parents don't understand them and then abandons the respect for their elders. Indeed, that's why they say that blood is thicker than water. I was also at the verge of giving up, only to be so ignorant, so focused on my idolatry needs, I failed to see my parents being looked down upon so low by the tall, ignorant whiteness of Euro-Americans. But to me, my parents are the most intelligent, and the fact that they speak broken English don't make them any more broken in dignity than the white person that they work for. Last time I looked at my mother's hair, I noticed 7 more white ones. Then I asked, is it because of me? White hair cost my mother's overtime hours in the late evenings and weekend mornings. She got 1 daughter in college and 5 other children adventuring life. White hair from reminding us constantly to do our homework and be good children. So hold me, mother, brush the hair from my face with the same gentle hands that you use for embroideries, the same hands used to feed me so your baby girl will go hungry. And lift me up, Father, place me on your shoulders that allow me to see the world. Have you forgotten that eldest daughter you have spent late nights caring for and taught to be a strong woman? And I know I was wrong to be angry when you made me make phone calls. When I didn't know anything about mortgage or insurance, you yell at me and say, then why did you go to school for? Now I realize that my hurt could never compare to your hurt of being misunderstood. So long since I heard my parents call me Minai, despite their conservativeness, I'll cross any culture border through sun and rain just to have them hold me and call me Minai again. My spirit calls out to my parents, let the tides of bloodline connect us again. Thank you very much.
All right. Give it up for Chilli Lor.